Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. This is Akhilesh Kumar, and this is the first time I am here on YouTube because before this I never feel any necessity to be here on the YouTube. But today, yeah, it is very much important for me to share some information that I have with me, which might not be with you or with. So, as you can see around you all, that the situation right now, the pandemic situation right now, which we are facing of COVID 19 is not a very light situation, it's a very critical situation. And in this situation, a lot of our Indians are stranded in other countries who wants to come back to their home, but they do not have any options. Keeping it in mind, our Indian government has taken some certain steps that they will help the people to take them out of that country to their original country, India, to their hometown. They will send them. So it's also our responsibility to come forward and help those people who are stranded in other countries. And what we can do, you might be thinking that what we can do a lot. The medium through which you are getting my information, I am sharing the information, is the best medium, I think. YouTube, social media, because nowadays most of the people are dependent on IT sales services, YouTube, social services. So keeping in mind, I came here that I should share some information, like I have some links of registration, and you might also be aware that government has said that there would be a link on which you have to register on that link, and then it will be submitted to the embassy online, and from there the government will collect that data, and after that they will prepare a list and sort out those persons, those people who are stranded in the COVID 19 situation in other countries and who are willing to come to their hometown, their country. This is only possible when they will go for registration. So I'll share some link in my description. Please get that link and help others, your relatives. It might be your relative, it might be others to whom you know but do not have any family relations. They may be friends, they might be the friend of your friend, they might be the relative of your any of the friends, they might be in your colleague or office colleague. So in this way, just please share the link. I'll not ask everyone to subscribe or like my channel, like me, because this is the first video. I already told you that I don't need any publicity, I don't need any type of like or subscription that I should get, like I want to earn money from the YouTube. No, there is nothing like that. I am here only to share the information and share the links, because some of the links, there are only few links, very few links I do have with me, but I make you sure that gradually I am trying my best to get more and more links so that I could provide it to you all. I have there are some links like from Dubai, Kuwait, and of Saudi Arabia. You can go to my description and take it out from there and register yourself. If you want to help others come out of that countries to India, or if even you are also stranded in that country, then you can come out of that country to the India. So government protocols. So go over the link, register yourself, come to your family, they are waiting for you. That's all. Go to link and register yourself. Thank you. Thanks a lot.